What if you could not only safely store bacon grease, but reuse it in a wide array of tasty recipes? Well, now you can with the remarkable FilterChef-Mini. The FilterChef-Mini lets you quickly and conveniently filter out larger particles or impurities and still keep that great bacon flavor for your next recipe. It's easy to use. Just pour your used bacon grease into the patent-pending FilterChef-Mini filtering canister and it's ready to use again. The FilterChef-Mini comes with a great recipe book showing you several ways to reuse your bacon drippings. Because bacon grease can't be beat when it comes to adding flavor to your favorite recipes. No more messy cans or jars or throwing your grease down the drain. It has no moving parts, needs no batteries or electricity, and is completely dishwasher safe. Save oil, save money, and save the environment with the FilterChef-Mini. Call 1-888-FRY-AND-SAVE or order online at filterchef.com. Call today.